So I heard back a couple days ago that I finally have access to some of the pelican foothold traps that I'll be using this summer. And so I'm going to go check those out today. They're essentially repurposed coyote traps. So they're pretty heavy duty, but the springs have been replaced with something a little bit weaker. So they don't hurt the pelicans, or at least I've been told. So I might actually test them out with my hands. We'll see. But yeah, so I'll drive out there. We also might be using some bow nets and some rocket nets this summer, which I'll probably get a lot later. But I'll try to make a video of those too, because shooting off a rocket net is going to be crazy cool. But yeah, let's see how these foothold traps hold up, and if I need to do any repairs on them, I might have to. We'll see. Let's try this with my foot first. Alright, here's a go with my hand. We'll see how this turns out. I've heard they're not painful, but we'll see. Ow. I'm in one piece though. I just have to figure out how to get this off. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. My fingers are still in one piece, thank goodness. Some red marks, but those should go away pretty fast. A little painful, but mostly just surprising. So I think the pelican should be just fine. And that's the foothold trap. We'll stake them in the ground, and then the pelicans will step on them, hopefully. Then we can catch them and band them and put the GPS transmitters on them. This is Penny the pelican. She's the only remaining decoy we have. Apparently the decoys don't work very well, so she's just kind of a mascot. Looks like her neck needs a little bit of work, but she's real cute. But that's it.